Hey kids! Today, we're going on an amazing adventure to learn fun facts about some incredible animals. Let's get started. Look at this cool crab. Did you know that crabs walk sideways? That's because their legs are built to move from side to side. Here comes the penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to zoom through the water. Wow! A zebra. Did you know that no two zebras have the same stripes? Their black and white patterns help them stay safe by confusing predators. Look at this beautiful sea star. Starfish don't have a brain or blood, but they can regrow their arms if they lose one. Here's a big-beaked bird, the pelican. Pelicans have a huge pouch in their beak that helps them scoop up fish. They can hold up to 3 gallons of water in their pouch before swallowing their food. Woof woof. Dogs are one of the smartest animals and have been our best friends for thousands of years. They can learn over 100 words and even understand our emotions. Look at this adorable panda. Pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. They can munch on over 20 kilograms a day. Even though they look chubby and slow, pandas are actually really good climbers. Look at this speedy hare. Hares are different from rabbits. They have longer legs and can run super fast, up to 60 km/h, 37 miles per hour. Here's a playful monkey. Did you know that monkeys use their tails like an extra hand? Some can even hang from tree branches with their tails. Monkeys live in big groups and love to play just like us. Watch out! It's a crocodile. Crocodiles are one of the oldest animals on Earth. They've been around since the time of dinosaurs. They can hold their breath underwater for over an hour. Look at this jellyfish floating in the water. Jellyfish don't have a brain, heart, or bones, but they can glow in the dark. Some jellyfish are so small you can barely see them, while others have tentacles over 30 meters long. A rhino. Did you know that a rhino's horn is made of the same stuff as our fingernails? Despite their big size, rhinos can run super fast, up to 50 km/h, 31 miles per hour.